Guys, we just did this amazing haircut on this beautiful lady's hair. I did not do the color. She did see my cutting video yesterday, and her texture is similar to my model. I did her hair. Who's my amazing hairdresser, crime partner, wife, my boss. Even though I don't listen to her, that still bothers me. Then if you're working on this perfecting this haircut. Thank you, man. We see you. Pendejo. I mean, what the heck, you know? You're going where? Nowhere. The storm coming. So, as you guys can see, from here came right the occipital, top to the occipital, my dear. Here you have here, let's say 20 hair. From the occipital to nape, we have 1,000 hair. I'd say not 1,000, but a lot of hair. So I'm taking my scissor and just pushing out some of the weight. And I know she likes her hair weighted. But we want a little bit movement, mobility, and the top is already fine, and she wants to put in a ponytail. We already have about 16 inch right here. She's just fine. Like I was describing her earlier, based on her silhouette, haircut is very, 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 very important. She's petite, you know, real beautiful, and her silhouette. We need to create the haircut. You can come over here. We need to create the haircut that's really perfectly suited to her features, her silhouette, and her lifestyle. I'm sure any given time, if she really pay attention, do really good blow dry, it's going to take her a good 25 to 30 minutes. Unless she's drying her hair a couple of really powerful dryer, that's when she incorporates a lot of dryness on her hair. So just dry. Anyhow, so we're talking about the haircut. So, and as you can see, the haircut, I go in and I just take out some of the weight, but I do like the weight, but I just want to remove a little bit of the weight. That way it will not put so much weight in her features. Since she has a lot of hair and she has a smaller facial structure, hair really takes over her features. So I like the fact that she has a lighter color going on, which creates softness, and we've gotten her really nice, excellent haircut to really complement her features and make it a little easier for her to manage. Check it out. Wow, look at you, Kim. Where you been, girlfriend? See, her husband has been a customer, I don't know, I know 20 years. And he has come to me probably twice a month. He's the only man I trust that brought me a 4 bottle of chartreuse from Greece, New York, which is kind of close to Syracuse and Rochester. Ask Matthew about who is the man. So he definitely made the best man that I know. So anyhow, so we gave her the gorgeous haircut. I want you to run your fingers through your hair, Kim, and be honest and truthful and tell me how you like it. I want you to stand up for a second and come this way, and check it out for me. Will you just play with your hair? Yeah. Come this way.
Oh, it's lighter.
Right? Yeah. And we still have your length. Let me see. May I see the straight? So she said collarbone. I like to listen. That's the only way I can achieve something greater than my own, thought process. I rest the hair a little bit below the collarbone. When she dries it, when it's wet and all, And I just wanted to make sure it's perfectly balanced. The cut, not only outer perimeter, but inner structure. That's where I go in. That's where my expertise, inner structure of a haircut. What do you mean by that, Mario? You look at a perfect hair, but it's really texture. It's incorporated an amazing haircut that really has a nice movement without weighing her hair down. Tito was sitting on the chair. Look at her, he's so cute. And she has the movement, guys. A lot of flexibility. Nicely softly folds as it comes down past her occipital nape and then her shoulder. And when she moves, check it for me, dear. All right, and look down for me, just a second. So, it's very important. I always check my haircut dry. I actually prefer the haircut dry. But in her hair case, her hair, she had a lot of hair, coarse, dry, previously dehydrated through the color jobs. But, so, come over here, dear. Yeah. But now it looks nice and she has a lot of movement, a lot of texture. And quite frankly, I could do more, but I don't want to. I love to create one of the best haircuts, but I want to make sure she will be able to manage it. She has a busy lifestyle, she doesn't want to spend a lot of time. Do you play tennis?
Yeah.
So she plays tennis, she's on the go. She has 2 boys. When they call, she picks up the phone, it doesn't matter what she's doing. They're grown up, but they're still mama's boys. And they're my clients too, so I know. Probably most Anthony, right? Now he's going to be going to come. Check it for me. Super. Thank you. Looks good. And I'm suggesting her to put some take-home product, but she has some product at home she's been using. So how do you like it? Love it?
Great, yes.
Thank you very
Always
much.
did a fantastic job.
I appreciate. You're fantastic. And she says fantastic. My wife said good yesterday. So, thank you.